Myself, Kishore Farade, Mechanical Engineering Department, Shivajirao Ajunde Polytechnic Asangaon. In this video, we are going to study heat balance sheet. What is heat balance sheet? The complete record of heat supplied and heat rejected during a certain time, say 1 minute or 1 hour, by an IC engine is entered in a tabulated format, and this format is known as a heat balance sheet. So dear students, what is the necessity of heat balance sheet? So that heat balance sheet will give the idea about the heat supplied and heat utilized in the various ways in the system. It also gives the information of the performance of the engine. Due to heat balance sheet, it gives approximate amount of unaccounted losses, which include friction losses, radiation losses from the various parts of engine, and heat loss due to incomplete combustion. It also gives us an idea about the amount of energy wasted due to several reasons and allows us think of methods to reduce losses so incurred. So dear students, now how the heat balance sheet will get prepared? So calculation of the heat balance sheet. So to prepare the heat balance sheet, first of all, we have to calculate the heat supplied by fuel, means heat input. That heat input is calculated for the petrol or oil engine by the formula heat supplied is equal to mf into cv, which is expressed in kilojoule per minute. So here mf is equal to mass flow rate of fuel in kilogram per minute, and cv stands for calorific value of the fuel in kilojoule per kg. For gas engine, this formula will be expressed as heat supplied is equal to Vf into Cv. So here Vf is volume of gas supplied per minute. So heat expenditure or heat utilized, whatever the heat supplied, how that heat can be utilized in the various ways, that is the heat output. In second step, we have to calculate the heat output. So heat energy of the fuel is partly converted into useful work, that is equivalent to brake power, and remaining heat is carried away by the cooling water jacket, exhaust gases, radiation, incomplete combustion, and lubricating oil. So heat equivalent to brake power, which is equal to brake power into 60, which is in kilojoule per minute. Because we are preparing the heat balance sheet on the minute basis, so we are taking the heat equivalent to brake power in terms of kilojoule per minute. Heat rejected to cooling water. So heat rejected to cooling water is calculated by the formula QW is equal to MW into CPW into delta T, where CPW is a specific heat of water at constant pressure, which is equal to 4.187 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Delta T is a temperature difference. Next is heat carried away by the exhaust gases. So dear student, heat carried away by the exhaust gases can be calculated by the formula QEG is equal to MEG into CPEG in bracket TEG minus TA, where QEG stands for heat supplied or heat carried away by the exhaust gases, MEG means mass of the exhaust gases, and which can be calculated by the formula MEG is equal to MF plus MA, means mass of exhaust gases is equal to mass of fuel plus mass of air. CPEG is nothing but specific heat of exhaust gases. TEG means temperature of exhaust gas, and TA means temperature of ambient air or atmospheric air. CPEG stands for specific heat of exhaust gases. So next term is unaccountable heat loss. Already I had told you the heat can be waste in terms of radiation due to frictional losses. So that is the unaccountable heat loss. And unaccountable heat loss can be calculated by the formula heat input means heat supplied by the fuel minus sum of heat equivalent to break power plus heat rejected to cooling water plus heat carried away by the exhaust gases. So from this formula, we will get unaccountable heat loss. Now, dear student, after calculating all these parameters, we will put these parameters in the tabulated format. So here, heat supplied, that is a QS in kilojoule per minute, because we are preparing the heat balance sheet on minute basis. So that QS, which is equal to MF into CV, already we had studied, and in percentage, it will be considered as 100%. Now, heat output means heat expenditure. Already I had told you, heat can be utilized in the various ways, like heat equivalent to break power, heat loss due to cooling water, heat lost by exhaust gas, and unaccountable loss. So, this every term will be calculated in terms of kilojoule per minute. For percentage, in that column, the percentage for the heat equivalent to break power, that is QB upon QS into 100. The percentage of heat loss to cooling water, that is QW upon QS into 100. Heat lost by the exhaust gas in terms of percentage, that is QEG upon QS into 100. And unaccountable loss, that is QU upon QS into 100. So in this way, we will calculate the heat supplied and heat expenditure, and then we will check the balance. Whatever the heat supplied by the combustion of fuel should be equal to this total heat expenditure, and we will say our heat balance sheet is prepared. So dear student, in your exam, the questions on the heat balance sheet will be: what is heat balance sheet? State the necessity of the heat balance sheet. Or there will be one numerical based on the heat balance sheet. So I hope all of you now able to solve the numerical. Also, you can give the proper answer for said questions. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you.